What's up, YouTube? As you saw by the intro, the stuff that I got in, oh shit, no, the carbon fiber mirror caps weren't in there. All right, but you saw our intake and the heat shield, and I also got some carbon fiber mirror caps that I thought I videotaped, but I guess I didn't. With that being said, though, I got some carbon fiber M style mirror caps. So I didn't film putting them on because honestly, that shit took way too long. It was so simple, but it took way too long. Maybe I'll put some ring footage camera if I have some, make a little time lapse of it. Not only did I put the mirror caps, but I did put the sequential signal light, so I'll show that also. Let me actually do that right now. Looks way better, more aggressive, especially with the body lines of this car. Skirt, wing, rear diffuser. I do plan on getting more carbon fiber. Obviously that shit is expensive though, so that'll take some time. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Besides that though, I'm trying to look for more Fs. I live in Connecticut, so I've only seen 2, but they were parked, so I didn't see the owner or anything. But if you guys are probably in the tri-state area and you guys have like F meetups, please let me know, because I want to pull up to them. I have no F buddies, and I would like some F buddies.
That's what she said.
Because like I said, you don't even see F cars out here in general. So yeah, hit me up. My Instagram, I'll leave it in the bio, and I'll leave it at that. Peace.